Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds Energy System Style 4. So basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can add the widget. So you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and add widget. Now you have or scroll down and find batteries, tap at this line here, or you can also use a search and you can write batteries right here and then tap right here at the batteries line. So we have the same menu, and right here, here's 3 presets. So select the best one for you, and then click Add Widget. Right here, you can check battery level anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected with your phone. The problem is that right here we have general battery level, so not for the left and right earbud. And we have the second option, is to use an application. You need to open a Smart Connect app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and right here we have the battery level for the left and right earbuds, but not for the charging case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!